Hello, folks. A very warm welcome to the second session in the brand new series, which is the Rapid Fire Monday. So let me quickly introduce myself. Officially, I am your host, your dost, your catalyst for the day, and holding the quiz master mantle for day, myself, Nitika. And we have three amazing participants with us. We have Kunal, Shubhajit, and Divyansh with us. So I hope I am audible to the viewers out there. You can also quickly get to know and give me a quick thumbs up. I can see students joining in the live chat also. So guys, we have three amazing participants. Let's get to know them. We'll start with Kunal. Kunal, give us your quick introduction. Where are you from? Which standard you are? Which is your favorite subject and what are your hobbies?
Hello to all, my name is Kunal. I am from Panipat, Haryana, and my favorite subject is mathematics.
Okay, math. And what are your hobbies, Kunal?
My hobbies is playing chess.
I'm sorry, we lost you out there. Can you repeat once again, Kunal?
My hobbies is playing chess,
Playing chess. All
badminton,
right.
etc.
All right. Playing chess, badminton. Great. Super. Stay active, guys. Stay active. That's great. Divyansh, how about you?
Hi everyone, I'm Divyansh Yadav and I'm currently studying in class 10th standard, and my favorite subject is mathematics, and I am from Uttar Pradesh, and my hobby is playing cricket.
All right. Cricket fan. So yesterday wasn't a very good day, probably. How about you, Shubhajit?
Hello and namaskar. I'm Subhajit Sarkar from Kolkata, West Bengal, and I'm in 12th grade currently, and my favorite subject is maths. And
Oh, I
is,
think the
and I want to
rapid
become
fire
a doctor.
Monday for. Oh, okay, lovely. So rapid fire Monday math happened last week. Probably we have all the math lovers out here today. And let's see, your math skills will help you here becoming a quiz contest winner today. So Shubhajit, what are your hobbies? You want to become a doctor? What are your hobbies, huh?
Hobbies to play and study. That's it.
Studying is a hobby. What better? Wow. Cool. So we have people joining in from here also. We have Zayed, Parvs, I can see Parjen, Sarthi, and Mohammed Saqib. Struggle is equal to me. Hey, change your channel's name. Struggle is equal to me. That shouldn't be the name. Abhishek Kumar, Astha. Cool. So we have many joining in the live chat, and you guys already know the instructions. I will repeat it once again. See, it's inorganic. When it comes to inorganic, what is it that comes in your mind is always going to be the right answer or a wrong answer, because there is no enlightenment that is going to happen at the end of the day. You know it or you do not know it. There is no midway, right? So things are actually rapid fire, because today it's about inorganic chemistry. It's about P block. It's about 13 to 18 groups. Questions are going to be very simple. You know it or you do not know it, right? So make sure, beware of the negative marking. Make sure to give it quick, because the one person who gives the quickest answer will get the +4. If somebody answers right, but takes, more amount of time, so in the order second and third, we'll award +3 and +2. But if you give if you give a wrong answer, it's a -1. So beware of that. Cool. So instructions are clear. 2 minutes is like rarest of the rare case. We do not have to, unlike your favorite subjects, which is mathematics. Here, it's like you do not have to derive an answer. You know it or you do not know it, right, guys? So any questions you can ask me, and then we'll start. with the quiz. Any questions, Kunal, Divyansh, Shubhajit?
Not from my side.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, man.
So pull up your socks. Let's see your inorganic skills. Let's have the first question. Question number 1, guys. Ammonium dichromate, NH42, Cr2O7, on heating gives a gas which is also given by heating ammonium nitrite, that is NH4NO2, heating ammonium nitrate, that is NH4NO3, or heating magnesium nitride with H2O, or treating sodium nitrite with H2O2. Time has already started. Shreya Patil, how are they chosen? We'll certainly tell you how are they chosen. Stay till the very end and everybody keep participating, because we can help them, right? We can help them with audience poll if required. So it's a K, B, C, kaun banega chemistry pati today. So Shubhajit has already bombarded the answer, option A. Let's see. Let's see. Kunal goes with option A as well. Let's see what Divyansh has to say. Will he follow his comrades or he has a different answer? Time is about to be over. All right, so finally, A coming from all three of you. So that's A start for the day. That was absolutely A plus plus start for the day. Well, that's amazing. Can you tell me what about option B? Heating ammonium nitrate would produce what? Huh, guys? What do you think? Unmute yourself. You can, of course, speak. You can, of course, speak and unmute yourself while you're speaking, for sure.
Nitrogen, oxygen, and H2O.
Nitrogen, oxygen, and H2O in case of ammonium nitrate. I'm asking for option B rather than option A. For ammonium nitrate, not for ammonium nitrite. Ammonium nitrite, you've already told me the answer. How about heating ammonium nitrate? What do you think? Audience, what about you? Harshita is saying option C, and many of the audience is also saying option A. So no guesses for the option B, ammonium nitrate.
Nitrous oxide.
Okay. Can you tell me the formula of nitrous oxide? Though it's not for the marks. You already have frozen your option. So it's just knowing whether you know it or you do not know it. I hope it's not a fluke.
N2O.
Cool. Very nice. Very nice. So laughing gas it is, which is N2O. Right? And a laughter to all of you, because option A is indeed the right answer, and audience is also doing amazingly well. That's great. So indeed, let's see what the reaction is for ammonium dichromate as well as for ammonium nitrite. Let's have the answer right on the slide. So this is the reaction, guys, everybody. An amazing way to learn, right? I am hopeful if you are giving a right answer, it will stay with you forever. And if you're giving a wrong answer, it will certainly stay with you forever. So find it as an opportunity to learn and be creative. All right, so wonderful. Ammonium nitrite is indeed giving nitrogen and water. And so is ammonium dichromate, which on heating is giving Cr2O3, N2 plus water. Perfect. Question number 2 coming ahead. Brace up. All right. SiO2 can react with, and your options are HF only, sodium hydroxide only, option C, neither HF nor NaOH, and option D, which is both HF and NaOH. Let's see. That was quick, huh, Shubhajit? Somebody has come prepared. Doesn't mean he is right, though. Mind you. Divyansh, option F, which is this new option right there.
Sorry, ma'am, I tabbed
right.
before.
That's chill. That's okay. All right. So Divyansh is also saying D. Kunal, let's see. Let's see. Ram Pravesh, option D. Some of the audience is also saying option D. Nikunj is saying option C. Shreya, what happened? Huh? Shreya Patil had some laughing gas. N2O probably. Asha is saying D. There is Corpreet saying B. But here, all three of you are saying D. That's some good unity going on. Huh? Some great unity out here. So indeed, the answer is A, of course, HF only, B also, NaOH also. So the right answer automatically becomes option B, which is both HF and NaOH. So, okay, before I proceed any further, can you guys tell me if you've seen Breaking Bad? Have you? Any three of you? Kunal, Divyansh, Shubhajit?
Excuse me, ma'am, I did not hear properly.
The series Breaking Bad, have you seen it?
No, ma'am.
Divyansh, how about you? Kunal? No? Okay, so there is a beautiful way of representing one beautiful thing of the same thing that we're talking about, you know, reaction of silica. So the students of, in case you have seen this series Breaking Bad, which is so-called on chemistry, not much, but there are some elements of chemistry, of course, there, wherein this Walter White is planning to, you know, dismantle a body. Body has phosphorus and what all, everything, right? It all can be dissolved in HF, hydrofluoric acid. That's the beauty of hydrofluoric acid. So they were planning to, you know, dismantle the body, you know, get rid of the body, a corpse, by putting this HF in that body. So everything will become liquid from the body. And they plan to do it in a plastic container. Beautiful reason, because HF doesn't react with plastic.
React with plastic. That's why HF is not kept in glass because it can
and what they did, what Jesse Pinkman, not a very good chemistry student, unlike you three who are giving me good answers. So he did not listen to his chemistry teacher who said to get a plastic. Rather, he threw the body in the bathtub, which is made up of silica. So silica reacts with hydrofluoric acid and gives you what? I'll just show you on the next slide. Let's have the answer right here. So this is what actually forms. SiF4 is actually formed, right? So SiO2 reacts with actually HF to give you SiF4. And that SiF4 further reacts with HF actually to give you this H2SiF6, which you can see. And SiO2 certainly being a little acidic in nature, not much, but it is a little acidic, of course, and that's why it can react with base also. So all of you have done an amazing job out here. So Shubhajit is on 8, Kunal is on 5, Divyansh is on 5. Let's see with the next question if this tie between Kunal and Divyansh can be broken, or if some negative marking is coming your way. Let's see. Next question. All right. The reaction of P4 with X leads selectively to P4O6. The X is dry oxygen, option A. Option B, mixture of oxygen and nitrogen. Option C, moist oxygen. Option D, oxygen in the presence of sodium hydroxide. and all the audience out there who's giving me answers, it's good that if you can use the question number also, so that I know you're on the same page as me. Safal, Asha, Harshdeep, Surya, Pratim, do write the question number also. That's absolutely right. Struggle is equal to me, but no more struggle should be equal to me, huh? Astha, everybody. Cool, cool, cool. Yes. Let's see out there what's coming up. Divyansh was quick this time. Wonderful. Kunal, this time some unity is being broken. That's good. That's good. Let's see. All right. Bhave Jain in the audience is saying third option D is correct. What do you think? D, none of them has given. All right. Okay. Asha, option B. Shubhajit, option B. Kunal, option B. Divyansh, option A. See, it's a good question because obviously P4 reacts with something to give you P4O6, right? Agreed. So there has to be oxygen for sure. Now you have to decide dry oxygen or moist oxygen. So this is one thing, right? Oxygen has to be there. Where will the oxygen in the P4O6 come from, right? So of course, in phosphorus trioxide like this, P4O6 that we have oxygen for sure there. But we know P4O10 is more probable, right? We do not want P4O10. We want P4O6. So we have to stop it at P4O6, for which we require something else. So of course, answer is not A and answer is not C. Answer can either be B or D. Oh, Divyansh. So answer can be B or D. Now, NaOH is out of the C. So of course, the right answer is mixture of oxygen and nitrogen, where nitrogen's role is just very simple. Its role is just to control the oxidation. Oxygen has to be there, but nitrogen's role is just to control the oxidation. So the answer is, of course, option B. Let's see the simple reaction out here very quickly. Let's see what the reaction is. P4 reacts with oxygen to give you P4O6, of course, but there has to be limited supply of oxygen, number one, and nitrogen to control the oxidation. So two things to be kept in mind. Great. So audience was also right on their toes. Very good. It's B, absolutely right. Astha, Levi, very good. Many of the students in the audience is also giving the right answer all the time. Wonderful, guys. Ready for the next one? All right, all right, all
Yes,
right. Pull up your socks for the next one. Question number 4 coming your way, guys. Let's see. Which of the following orders is correct for the bond dissociation enthalpy of halogen molecules? And you can see the options. Option A, Br2, then I2, then F2, then Cl2. Option B, F2, Cl2, Br2, I2. Option C, Cl2, Br2, F2, I2. And option D, I2, Br2, Cl2, F2. Let's see. Wonderful, huh? Rupsa, Devendra, many rapid fire answers are right coming from the audience. Kunal is right on the now full Taylor Swift mode, huh? Very nice. Why not chemistry, huh? Why do you like math, huh? I'm not very happy. You're giving good answers. Chemistry should be the favorite subject for sure. All right, that was a rapid fire indeed by Kunal for sure. Cl2, then Br2, then F2, then I2. Why do you think so, Divyansh? Why this answer?
Because I'm
Florish,
not sure.
you're not sure. Kunal, what do you think? Fluorine should be more, no? As we go down the group, iodine, easy to break. Iodine atom, bond distance, the bond length is maximum, so it's easy to break. So I2 should be least, F2 should be max. Why C, Kunal? It seems Shivajit is rehearsing his answer. Shivajit, why C?
Actually, because of the large size, as it goes down the road, size increases.
Absolutely.
So, fluorine is an example. Like,
is an example or
exception.
What? Exception.
Exception.
Oh God. Why? Why is it an exception?
That I can't explain very well, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, that part.
What do you think would be probable? Let's try to deduce. No, it's okay to not know, but let's try to deduce. What's so special about fluorine? Is it very humongous or is it small, little? What is the problem?
Small size and high inter-electronic repulsions are there, so that's why it is.
Kunal Chupa Rustam, huh? Very good. Absolutely right, Kunal. Bang on, right on track. Small size of fluorine. So two fluorine atoms, and imagine lone pairs, 1, 2, and 3. 3 of them here, 3 of them here. Imagine inter-electronic repulsions. And of course, you're right on the track. Option C is indeed right. हाँ, बहुत अच्छा एकदम जोड़ी जमाकर बैठे हो अभी आप. Very nice. Looks like the starting team yesterday. Very good. Okay, let's see. Yes, let's see the whole answer right. Exactly with the each step, what is involved here, what's the problem. Kunal has beautifully stated already. Let's see the answer. So what you have stated, Kunal, absolutely is right here, that bond dissociation energy, actually, as we go down the group, the trend should have been normal, right? कि भाई नीचे जा रहे हैं, obviously the bond length is increasing, so it should be easy to dissociate them, but there is a but to it. Fluorine is an exception because of inter-electronic repulsion present in small molecule of fluorine, right? So Surya Pratim is saying due to d orbital present. किसमें भाई? किसमें d orbital? Fluorine में ना. Asha is fluorine is high, right? Fluorine is more lone pair repulsions, hence weaker bond. Bilkul sahi. So see, here with this question, I would like to highlight something, guys. Anybody who is phobic of inorganic chemistry and says, bhai, so many series have so much disrespected inorganic chemistry. There has never been so many memes on any other thing as compared to inorganic because of the exceptions it has. तो इनऑर्गेनिक में मीम्स तो बहुत बन जाते हैं एक्सेप्शन के चक्कर में, बट देयर इज ऑलवेज अ लॉजिक बिहाइंड एवरी एक्सेप्शन. सो एवरीबडी आउट देयर, it's for you also, all my audience who is listening me live, and for all three of you specifically, कि जनरल ट्रेंड को हमेशा ध्यान में रखकर then come to an exception, कि what is an exception here, and find out the creative ways of knowing an exception. Write it probably around you on a study table or somewhere, and of course exceptions will be your exceptionally loyal companions for sure in the examination. All right, let's move ahead and see the next question. Question is, extra pure nitrogen can be obtained by heating. Extra pure we want, okay? Be careful. Option A, NH4Cl plus NaNO2, NH4NO2, NH42Cr2O7, or it is barium azide, barium N32. Bang on, Ayush, Levi, Vasudev, Arjav, Devendra, Raval. Very nice, very corporate. Bombarding me with the right answer, flooding me with the right answer. That's amazing. Amazing. It's a rapid fire for a reason, don't forget. The rapid fire for the reason. And Kunal was bang on, right on the moves, huh? Very good, huh? D, you're saying azide. The moment you hear azide, I think pure nitrogen should be visualized somewhere, because you get barium, which is a solid, and you get nitrogen, which is a gas. How easily they can be separated. So if the separation is easy, of course, what you end up getting is ultra pure nitrogen. And not just that, if you're starting with barium azide, right, you can make it exceptionally pure in the starting phase itself. एकदम अच्छे से barium azide का हमने salt ले लिया, right? In the purest form, it can be available. And then if you're further heating it, what you end up getting is barium, and what you end up getting is nitrogen in the purest form. So our audience is also right on the track. D, very good. All of you doing awesome job. Shubhajit, pace up also, huh? Speed matters. Hashtag speed matters. So option D is indeed right. Let's see the reaction. Let's see the answer slide. So this is what the reaction is, everybody. Barium azide or sodium azide, any of it can come. And trust me on this, when it comes to JEE examination or NEET examination, a question certainly comes from what you're looking in front of you, directly or indirectly. Like I told you, yes, 3 of you are participating and 1 of you will win. And all of you out there who is in the live audience also, all of you will learn. So learning should not be compromised. Remember that azide, when we have, yes, what we end up getting is pure nitrogen. For the simple reason, you can see barium is in the solid state and nitrogen is in the gaseous state. I'll also tell you a very interesting fact, right? Shubh Pathak is saying, yes, pata tha ma'am. Right, absolutely, Prateek. Sodium azide, aapne baat kari di hai, which is used in airbags. Absolutely right. Prateek Singh has pointed out very amazing knowledge fact, which can also be asked as a question. So it is always important to relate what you're learning with the everyday life. It's always going to reinforce what you're studying. I'm sure if you have been studying by me, right, you know how I do. I always try to relate what you're learning with surroundings so that awareness is there. And number 2, reinforcement of the concepts is there. So let me tell you something about soda azide, which Prateek Singh has pointed out so well, that it's used in airbags. So everybody knows when we are driving, we are using cars and there are obviously probabilities of collision. जैसे ही एक jerk आता है, एक collision होता है, बहुत तेज pressure पड़ता है गाड़ी के आगे, sensors होते हैं जिसकी वजह से airbag बाहर निकलता है. That airbag has sodium azide. And you know the beauty, this nitrogen that you're seeing, you already know the reaction in front of you. So hydrazoic acid है, sodium है, जैसे ही दोनों sodium azide वहां पे होता है, pressure बनता है, nitrogen gas निकलनी start हो जाती है, and it prevents this banging that happens because of a collision. Because in an accident, this is not something anybody wants to hurt our head out there. Right? So to prevent that, sodium azide is something which is used in airbags and all the automobile vehicles. Okay? So, you know the reaction, right? So,
yes,
wonderful
sir, actually,
it is.
Normally explosion की वजह से बहुत मतलब बहुत डिस्ट्रक्शन होता है, पर इस एक्सप्लोजन की वजह से एक्चुअली जान बच गया एक का.
बिल्कुल जान बचती है, क्योंकि सीधा आपका हेड बचा तो पूरा आपकी बॉडी बची इन अ वे, है ना? बिल्कुल. So amazing. All right. Sanyam is asking on next Monday which chapter quiz. Last में बताऊंगी. ठीक है. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 6. Crown shape of S8 molecule is present in, and your options are option A, rhombic sulfur, option B, monoclinic sulfur, option C, both A and B, option D, none of these. Simple, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Let's see. Crown shape of S8 molecule. Manage your speed with accuracy. Devender, Abhinav Sahu, Arjav, Karthik. All right, let's see. There's a competition happening in the live chat also. Ravi Shankar. All right, many of your friends are saying, we'll see whether what you are saying, which is option C, is right or not. Many are saying option A also. Option A, Samrat Day is saying option A, and in the audience. So let's see. We will see. Okay, Vineet, Prateek Singh, Arjav, along with Kunal, Devyansh, and Shubhajit. And Devyansh was on the toes this time. Wonderful, huh? So, rhombic sulfur, monoclinic sulfur. Absolutely, guys. What have you eaten today? Wow, that's some answers coming from you guys. Yes, all of you are absolutely right. Along with Bombay, Tony, Parv, and Abhishek Kumar, all of the students in the audience also is bang on giving me some amazing answers, which is none other than option C. देखो कुछ नहीं है दोनों में difference, बस वहां पे भी crown shape है, ऐसे crown shape ही तो है. एक में बस सिंपल तरीके से क्राउन है, एक में टेढ़े मेढ़े क्राउन है. दैट्स इट. एक क्राउन एक तरफ, एक क्राउन एक तरफ. लेट मी शो यू एग्जैक्टली द स्ट्रक्चर सो दैट इट गोज डीप in the crown of your head. Let's see the answer. So guys, anybody like Mihir देख लो भाई, आज के बाद भूलना नहीं है, ठीक है? Option A, सफल चतुर्वेदी. देख लो, this is how rhombic sulfur looks like. This is how monoclinic sulfur look like. दोनों ही crown है, ठीक है? S8 है. शुभजीत ने काउंटिंग कर ली है, सब में S8 है ही, है ना? So what do we have? Crown shape S8 in rhombic as well as monoclinic. But I have a question. अच्छा, आप मुझे बता सकते हैं, though we are talking about inorganic chemistry, though we are talking about P block, though we are talking about group 13 to group 18, but I want to know from you guys, let's see who tells me quickest. Do unmute yourself and speak. Which of the two has the standard enthalpy of formation equal to 0? Let's see your physical chemistry knowledge here. No marks for you for this, but let's see. And you have just two options, rhombic or monoclinic. There's no third option. Standard enthalpy of formation is equal to 0 for, let's see. And Tony is saying monoclinic sulfur. Prateek is saying monoclinic sulfur. Ayush is saying monoclinic sulfur. Okay, let's see. Anybody? Devyansh, Kunal, Shubhajit?
No, ma'am, I don't know. Yes.
How about you, Kunal?
Don't know, ma'am.
Devyansh?
Ma'am, I'm not sure, but I think monoclinic.
Going with the audience. This audience is very notorious. Let me tell you, they were giving wrong answer here. It is, guys, rhombic only because monoclinic exists at high temperatures. Let me tell you, after it exists, I think after 369 Kelvin. So 369 Kelvin, and we talk about standard temperature and pressure conditions in order to define standard enthalpy of formation. So it's rhombic sulfur, okay? So, well, okay, but then luckily this is inorganic chemistry, a do and a die chemistry where you know or you do not know something which gives you quickest marks. And trust me on this, inorganic chemistry, when you will be giving your NEET, your JEE Advanced, JEE Mains, inorganic chemistry is something that you're going to love dearly and something where you will realize कि भाई मैं शायद ठीक मार्क करके आया हूँ, but जब वापस आते हो तो पता चलता है यार shit, ये तो कुछ गलत हो गया. हाँ, इसलिए it's important to learn. Try to adjust the quality in case people are writing buffering. Astha, Aditya, okay, Sanyam, Dilip. If it's buffering, make sure you adjust the quality and join right back. Okay. Kunal is right on the toes. Option C. Devyansh, option C. Let's see what Shubhajit has to see. All right, option C yet again. ठीक है. Per iodate as well as iodate. Simple one. Ozone है, oxidize करेगा ही, तो it is indeed absolutely right. कहाँ से आ रहे हैं ये answers? मुझे लगा it will be challenging, but my kids are doing amazingly well. All my lines out there are roaring the right answer, I believe. Indeed, you guys are absolutely right. That's amazing. Let's see the equations right in front of us. The reaction is also very simple. Ki reacts with O3 to give you KiO3, which is iodate, as well as with O3 it gives you KiO4, which is per iodate. So Aditya Rao, option C, Ghansham, option C, Dilip, option C. Wonderful. You guys are tremendous. Awesome. Great. Superb. Cool, cool, cool. Let's straight away now move on to the next question. Question number 8 for the day. Which of the following is incorrect regarding white phosphorus? White phosphorus, guys. Option A, 6 pp single bonds. Option B, 4 pp single bonds. Option C, 4 lone pairs of electrons. Option D, ppp angle of 60 degrees. Rapidly fire the right answer. Come on. Devyansh was quick. Devender is also saying option A. Devyansh is saying option A. Soul Heart, option A. Devender, again, option A. Korpreet, A. Okay. Kshitiz, A. Prateek, A. Ghansham, A. Let's see. Kunal, Shivajit, it can be some trap for you guys. Use your own mind. Disclaimer. They can be right or they might be wrong. Let's see whether you use your mind or you go by the audience out there. Audience is fully giving. Let's have a poll for audience. Let's see the percentage audience is telling. Let's see. Can we have a poll for audience very quickly? For this particular question number 8. By then, Kunal and Shubhajit are counting, I believe, by making the P4. When you know we're talking about white phosphorus, you know there is some discrete P4. And I'm sure you know the structure well. Rupsa is saying option D. Hashtag crick shots. Again, a hashtag is saying A. Audience poll lifeline. बिल्कुल मिहिर help तो करो आप. ये लाइफलाइन की जगह डेडलाइन ज्यादा है. आदित्य ऑडियंस पोल बिल्कुल सही. पोल कितना है पता चला? Let's see. All right, Shubhajit is also done. Let's see. Kunal, waiting for some enlightenment of the right answer. Option C. Okay. ठीक है. यहाँ पे Swastika is saying option B. Samukhya is saying option C. Overtime for this question. हाँ प्रतीक, सबने दे दिया. Noted, well noted, but ठीक है. Rarest of the rare cases, may we have given them the chance of using 2 minutes. Right? Well, guys, P4, how the structure looks like. Can we have it from Devyansh? Devyansh, how P4 looks like? Tell me. Unmute and tell me. P4 looks white. Don't say that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, the structure I'm asking.
Yes, ma'am.
Any idea how the P4 white phosphorus looks like? What's the structure? You were the first to give, huh? I believe.
No, ma'am, it is my only guess.
It is your guess. Okay. Kunal? Okay. Shubhajit?
टेट्राहेड्रल.
टेट्राहेड्रल. ठीक है. बनाया आप लोगों ने? P4 बनाया? ठीक है. ऊपर वाला phosphorus. ठीक है. और ये बनाया 1, 2 and 3. ऐसा imagine हो गया ना? ऊपर वाला phosphorus 3 बना रहा है.
Yes,
ठीक है.
ma'am.
अब एक फॉस्फोरस नीचे भी है क्योंकि ये वाले पीपी बॉन्ड तो गिन लिए. एक फॉस्फोरस नीचे भी है, टेट्राहेड्रन. इट इज अ टेट्राहेड्रॉन. सो यहां से भी ज्वाइन करेगा एक फॉस्फोरस को, एक यहां से, एक यहां से. टू मेक इट सिंपल, आई डोंट नो ये समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं. Let's straight away first look at the structure and then I'll tell you the right answer. Can we have the answer slide where we have the structure of P4 so that everybody can count? Can we have the next slide? Look at it. I want you to count it, guys. Upar wala 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6. There are 6 pp bonds, right? And if there are 6 pp bonds, so what becomes the right answer? What is incorrect? You had to find out, right? 4 pp single bonds becomes the right answer because that's incorrect. We have the 6 pp bonds, isn't it? Could you count it, everybody, now? Kunal, Divyansh, Shivajit. Once you've seen it, you know it, right? ऊपर वाला phosphorus 1, 2, 3 और नीचे ऐसे एक 3 bonds हैं. ठीक है? So आप देख लीजिए दोबारा 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at it. Take your time to absorb it. 6 है. This is the discrete P4, and I'll tell you a beauty of phosphorus. It shows phosphorescence. It illuminates. So I wrote this article when I was in college about being paranormal. Normally paranormal. Normally paranormal means ये जो घोस्ट वोस्ट दिखते हैं ना white color के हमें पेड़ों के पास, crematory के round, जहां पे लोगों को जलाया जाता है, वहां पे there are probable chances that phosphorus from the body, you know, vaporizes, goes up and gets stuck, get adhered to the nearby, maybe a tree or somewhere, and at night it may show phosphorescence. So it's not Ram Gopal Verma saying Darna Mana hai, it's your very own inorganic chemistry saying Darna Mana hai because of this white phosphorus which can show phosphorescence. Cool. And now you know there are 6 pp bonds and not 4. So B was right. All 3 of you got it wrong, I believe. है ना? तीनों के गलत. Cool. And this audience is actually very, very trappy. इनकी बातों में मत आना अगर मैं इनका कुछ बता रही हूँ. सबने गलत बताया. सबने. There was nobody saying B. ठीक है? So be a rebel, be a savage, and use your own mind always. ठीक है? Cool. Kunal is leading it for now. Kunal is on 22 and Shubhajit is on 19. Devyansh is on 16. Devyansh, gut feeling आ रही है. मुझे लग रहा है gut feeling पे बहुत सारे सवाल जा रहे हैं. You're doing good. Let's see whether your gut feeling makes you win today or not. Cool. We'll have the next one. Cool. Question number 9. Everybody, pull up your socks for this one. Urea reacts with water to form A, which will decompose to form B. Then B is passed through copper 2 plus aqueous, deep blue color solution C is formed. What is the formula of C? Your options are option A, copper sulfate. Option B, we have tetraamino copper 2. Option C, we have CuOH2. Option D, CuCO3.CuOH2. Are you guys in the audience even writing the reaction? You're bombarding me rapidly. It seems you've taken rapid fire very literally. Guys are saying B out there, A out there, but trust me, do not trust the audience here. Use your own mind. All right, okay. So who gave first? Kunal or Shivajit? You can do like this if possible. Kunal or Shivajit? Who gave? So B, and B. Kunal gave quick. All right, Kunal. I want to change your favorite subject. Seems inorganic is going to lead it soon. Well, anyways, your answer is absolutely right. And B is indeed the right answer. We have tetraamino copper 2 ion, where what is happening is very simple. We are starting with urea. I know. This is inorganic, but I want to ask another question because all of you are bang on giving me such good answers. I really want to know. Let's see whether you can tell me the first organic compound which was discovered.
Urea. By
Urea.
chance.
Urea. By chance. By. Who was the discoverer?
Wooler.
Don't remember the name,
Absolutely,
not
Kunal.
coming. Nice.
Bilkul. Bowler. So it's bowler. Kunal is right on the rocks. Very good. If the rules were in my hand, I would have given you +2 already, but we'll stick to inorganic chemistry. So urea was being asked. Urea reacts with water to form A, which will decompose to form B. ठीक है? तो A urea है. Let's see the reaction. Urea आपको react करके देगा ammonium carbonate. Ammonium carbonate से आपको मिलेगा ammonia. And then this is the ammonia which is going to react with the copper 2+ to give you this particular complex, which we call as tetraamino copper 2 ion, right? It's deep blue in color, where copper you can see 4 ammonia hai, to ligands hai hamare paas 4. So it's a beautiful conglomeration of coordination chemistry with inorganic chemistry. And this is the beauty of inorganic. जो कोऑर्डिनेट केमिस्ट्री है वो बहुत तरीकों से अलग अलग चैप्टर्स के साथ पूछा जा सकता है. तो अगर आप जेई की तैयारी कर रहे हैं, आप जेई का प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, तो आपके लिए ये जानना बहुत जरूरी है कि कोऑर्डिनेशन केमिस्ट्री एक ऐसा चैप्टर है जो सबके साथ बहुत अच्छा बैठता है, चंगा बैठता है. बहुत अच्छे कॉन्ग्लोमरेशन कॉन्सेप्ट्स बन सकते हैं, मिक्स ऑफ कॉन्सेप्ट बन सकते हैं, जैसे कि ये एक, राइट? इसमें अब और बात हो सकती थी. इसको एडवांस लेवल का करना होता तो what is the geometry of the complex formed? What is the is it heptacity? Is it what is the ligand ability? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4? There can be different ways of quoting a question, but the overall way of concept understanding remains the same, which I'm sure you guys are acing it. Very good. Okay. Fire rounds, Asta ma'am, because if you guys prepared us to answer rapidly in the Byju's classes through rapid fire, that's absolutely right. I actually ask a lot of rapid fire question, and here I am holding this quiz master mantle today and actually asking rapid fire question. So here goes the next one, guys. Pull up your socks for the next one. Question number 10. The products obtained when chlorine gas reacts with cold and dilute aqueous NaOH are. Options are option A, ClO2 and ClO3, option B, Cl- and ClO-, option C, Cl- and ClO2, option D, ClO- and ClO3. Mind you, cold and dilute aqueous NaOH. Cold and dilute. Geeta Pandey is one step forward. With hot and concentrated also students are answering. Wonderful, guys. याद करो प्रतीक, जल्दी जल्दी जल्दी, rapid fire है भाई. Kunal has actually taken rapid fire to the very core. That's interesting. Kunal is saying B. Let's see. Divyansh is saying B. And Shubhajit is also saying B. Cool, cool, cool. How about hot and concentrated? Let's see who gives first. How about hot and concentrated? What do we get? Let me give you a clue. Cl- is common in both. Cold and dilute also. Sorry?
Cl and ClO3.
Cl, so do not forget the charges, Kunal. It is
Cl- and ClO3-.
Absolutely, absolutely right. Kunal the Savage today is giving absolutely bang on great answers. Everybody else has also given B, but make sure, guys, now speed matters. Accuracy along with speed matters. Rapid fire means you have to rapidly fire the answer. Here we have cold and dilute. So yes, indeed, what we end up getting is Cl- as well as ClO-. So the ClO- in the form of sodium, we get NaClO actually, right? So let's see the sodium hypochlorite out there. Let's see the option. Let's see the whole reaction out there. Let's see the answer slide. So we have chlorate and sodium hypochlorite actually coming in, right? Chlorate, NaClO3, and here NaOCl is sodium hypochlorite. Examiner can be creative. Examiner, instead of asking, probably instead of giving you the structures, can write there chlorate and hypochlorite. So if you do not know names also, the game is over. It's important to know this ClO3. Now the charges, like Kunal said, absolutely right answers. See, he said Cl and ClO3, but it's absolutely wrong. It's drastically wrong, and it might be in the option. And भावनाएं उस वक्त पेपर देते हुए ऐसी होती है कि आपको लगता है आपने सही किया है, but when you come back you're like, अरे यार क्या कर दिया, है ना? तो माइनस को मत भूलिएगा, नाम को मत भूलिएगा. नाम देख लीजिए. जब हम बात कर रहे हैं hot concentrated, everybody in the audience, it's for you also, right? When we are saying hot and concentrated, we are getting Cl minus in both, in cold as well as in hot. But what's the difference is right there. आपके पास जब hot है तो Cl कौन सी oxidation state में चला गया? अपनी +5 क्लोरेट में है वो, right? So +5 में है. But जब hypochlorite form में है तो +1 की state में है. So when it is not very conc, it is like dilute and cold, then Cl, again you can see Cl2 oxidize भी हो रहा है, reduce भी हो रहा है, Cl minus में जा रहा है और Cl +1 में जा रहा है, right? So what kind of a reaction is it? Cl2 undergoing oxidation as well as reduction, right?
Redox.
Oh, wow. What kind of redox? The same species undergoing oxidation as well as reduction. Ma'am, आपने तो P block बोला था, आप redox से पूछ रहे हो. All right. The audience out there is bang on bombarding disproportionation, which is absolutely right. So it's a disproportionation reaction, guys, which is happening in both when you see cold and cold and aqueous as well as hot and concentrated. What's happening is a disproportionation redox. What you're getting should be high definition crystal clear hashtag. Why so? Because let me tell you, I can vouch on it, guys. This is one favorite question of examiner, always asked in one form or the other. यही maths the column में आ जाता है. ऐसा ही question assertion reasoning में आ जाता है. इसी type के questions आप देखेंगे बार बार पूछे जा रहे हैं. ठीक है? So we have picked up chosen questions. They're the chosen slot. So make sure you are remembering it if you haven't remembered as yet. Cool. So well done. Hashtag HTCC. Let's see the next one right in front of you is the next question coming. Question number 11. Very easy. Which compound has an ionic nature in solid state? Option A, PCl5. Option B, POCl3. Option C, P4O10. Option D, PCl3. Audience out there, you try to, hit a 4 or a 6 whenever you get a chance. Well, we'll keep having motivation sessions for you and we'll keep addressing. So Aditya, don't worry, ma'am, how to get good marks in chemistry. Don't worry, we'll have more sessions on it. Though I have conducted few sessions and I'll tell you in the end, there are more sessions coming in for you, right? So by the time, let's see what answers are coming up. Divyansh, kahan bhag gaye? Let's see, 20, Divyansh is on, Kunal 30, Shivaji 25. Let's see, this question can really award marks. Divyansh A, Shivaji A. Kunal, have you frozen your answer? कौन सा आंसर लॉक किया जाए आपका? हाँ? All right, indeed, guys. A, all three of you, you're bang on. Triple A today. PCl5 is indeed right. It exists as PCl4 plus and PCl6 minus. So answer is indeed A. Prateek, not D. Absolutely. So A becomes the right answer. Bang on. Let's see the full way of looking at the PCl5 in the ionic form. This is how it looks like, PCl4 plus as well as PCl6 minus. In an ionic state, it exists as solid, like in front of you. So beware, it is not TBP, trigonal bipyramidal. One is sp3, and the other one is octahedral. So if both comes, both becomes the answer. Question can be framed on the hybridization also. Let's now see the next question, guys, very quickly. Question number 12 on your screens now. Selenium monochloride exists as a dimer. It disproportionate to give option A, SeCl3Se, option B, SeCl3 SeCl2, option C, SeCl4 SeCl2, option D, SeCl4 Se. Hitesh, option C. Samukhetu, option B. Korpreet, option B. Mrunali, option C. Asha Suberto, option D. So you can see crowd is also very confused. Every student out there in the live chat is also very, very confused, it seems. But Kunal is going with option D. Let's see. Okay. How about you? Very quickly, very quickly. This is a very straightforward. You know it or you do not know it. It's no way that you'll try to, derive an answer. You know it or you do not. Shubhajit goes with option D, and so is Divyansh. And many of you, Aditya is saying C. Praneeth is saying C. Aditya, C. Mrunali, C. Let's see. Selenium monochloride. Irony is it is existing, it is spoken as selenium monochloride, but the descriptive name is diselenium dichloride, Se2Cl2, right? So it reacts and gives you, it disproportionates to certainly give you selenium. So answer cannot be B or C. All three of you have given D. So the other one is, of course, selenium. If you go by its valency, how many it should occupy? It should be 4 only. So let's see the right answer. Everybody out here has indeed given right. So is our audience, I believe. Let's see. Option D is indeed the right answer. And let's have the equation. So bang on, guys. Easy one. SeCl4, selenium, beautiful name. Selenium, goddess of moon. That's where the name selenium has come from. Cool. So the score is Kunal leading it still. Let's see, Shubhajit, you have fair chance to brace up and give a tough competition to Kunal. Divyansh, you may even excel because we have now, how many questions waiting? We have 13, 14, 15, 3 waiting. So that can be your do or die scenario. Let's quickly see question number 13 on your screen now. What is the average bond order of N-N bond in N2O? I would advise you to draw the resonating structures in case you know this laughing gas N2O. You can laugh a bit and draw it. We are towards the end, guys. And selenophile. Wow, that's some name, huh, Prateek? Very good. Cool. Let's see. Some of your friends in the live chat are saying B, some are saying C, Vasudev D, Korpreet B, Hitesh D, but Mrunali B. Let's see whether you go by the audience or you use your own mind. Never go by the herd. Always use your own mind. That's very important. Everybody might be wrong and you're right sometimes. DDD, you guys have a great unity. Some great openers you are. And seems like you're going to end with the same unanimous answers also. So here again, unity we find between Kunal, Divyansh and Shubhajit saying D, and indeed D is absolutely right. Let's show you the resonating structures and let's see how do we find out, right? So यश सोनी ऑप्शन सी गलत है. नीट एंड इट्स आईआईटी मोटिवेशन ए गलत है. राइट, डी सही है. डी बिल्कुल सही है. आंसर देखते हैं हम फटाफट. दो रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर है इस तरीके से गाइस. आप देख सकते हैं. हाउ डू वी काउंट? बिकॉज नाइट्रोजन के बीच में पूछा गया है. दो नाइट्रोजन के बीच में जितने भी बॉन्ड्स हैं आप वो ऐड कर लीजिए, काउंट कर लीजिए, डिवाइड कर दीजिए टोटल नंबर ऑफ कैनोनिकल फॉर्म से, जो कि केवल है दो. So the formula is simple: total number of bonds between the elements which we are referring to. That is something that many students miss. Divided by the total number of canonical structures. So 5 by 2 is 2.5, and bang on. All three of you have absolutely given right answer. So 2.5 is the right answer. Cool. Kunal 39, Shivaji 36, Devyansh 27. Let's see the next question, which is on your screen right away. Let's see. Question number 14, the second last question for the day. Which among the following factors is the most important in making fluorine the strongest oxidizing halogen? Option A, hydration enthalpy. Option B, ionization enthalpy. Option C, electron affinity. Option D, bond dissociation energy. Swastika, kya yaad aa gaya? Some of your friends are saying bond dissociation. Some of your friends are saying electron affinity. Like Rupa is saying electron affinity. Kamalendu Chandra is saying option C. Pratik is saying option C. Krisham is saying option A. Runali is saying option D. Okay, you guys are actually going by your gut feeling, it seems. And let's see. Cool. We have A. All of you guys have some unity. कि पहले से बात करके आया था क्या कि जो एक मार्क करेगा वही हम दूसरे भी मार्क करेंगे? हाँ, पहले से कोई जानता नहीं था एक दूसरे को, आई बिलीव. So wonderful guys. Hydration enthalpy, ये तो एकदम bang on. यहाँ पे ऑडियंस बहुत ही मिसलीड कर रही है आपको. डी बता रही है. सी जो सही आंसर है, जो आप सभी ने बताया, वो कोई नहीं बता रहा है आयुष के सिवा. आयुष is saying A. Arpit said A, and now many are saying A. So yes, indeed, option A is bang on the right answer. देखिए, of course, जो F2 की बात करें, फ्लोरीन की बात करें, तो टूटेगा तो वो जल्दी. बट बात हो रही है ऑक्सीडाइजिंग हैलोजन की. सो बीइंग स्मॉल, जो कुणाल ने पहले भी बात करी थी, छोटा है फ्लोरीन, उसकी ये विशेषता है, ये खास बात है. सो अपने साथ लोगों को लेकर चलता है ना. तो लोग यहाँ पे कौन है? हाइड्रेशन, पानी. सो राइट आंसर इज इंडीड ऑप्शन ए. लेट्स सी द आंसर right in front of us. Due to the small size of fluorine, its enthalpy of hydration is very high, which makes fluorine the strongest oxidizing agent. Perfect. Okay. All right. Which is the next one coming in is the last question, guys. Let's see whether all of you are rock and rolling, going to give and pace up. Kunal and Shivajit. It's like a do or die now. Divyansh, whatever may be the results, see, let me tell you, you are in class 10 and you are in front of me already a winner. Because if you're in class 10th and you are giving such fantabulous answers, I believe if you come to class 12th, these guys would have been biting their nails probably. So let's see. Ready for the next one, guys? Question number 15, the last question for the day, right in front of you. Question number 15. Which of the following xenon oxo compounds may not be obtained by the hydrolysis of xenon fluorides? Option A, XeO2F2. Option B, XeOF4. Option C, XeO3. Option D, XeO4. Guys, quick answer will give you +4. Second one, +3. And the third quickest, +2. Which of the following xenon oxo compounds may not be obtained by the hydrolysis of xenon fluorides? And Kunal is yet to give the answer. Shubhajit might be wrong, Devyansh might be wrong, and Kunal might be right. And Kunal is indeed right, because Shubhajit and Devyansh are also right. And that's a very nail-biting match. Huh? It's like a no ball happening. A free hit is required, I believe. Let's have the scoreboard and let's see what is the result. Absolutely right. XCO4 is indeed right. And here we have Shubhajit reaching 44 and Kunal reaching 44. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Huh? So it's the 2020 rapid fire for chemistry happening today. A beautiful tie between Kunal and Shubhajit, and winner will only be one. We'll keep going on till the time one of you wins. Right. So guys, out here also I can see Rupsa, Brunali, Ramnivas, Yash, everybody is saying D. Easy था क्या यार ये? XCO4 वैसे तो बहुत आसान था. Xenon देखिए maximum full complete hydrolysis. Let's have the answer on the screen. Let's see. देखो पूरा है तो भी XCO3 है तो XCO4 कहाँ से आएगा ना? That's not possible. XCO4 कहाँ से ही आएगा? XCO3 जब हम full hydrolysis कर रहे हैं तो भी XCO3 मिल रहा है. XCO3 is coming. Then how come XCO4? So ruled out. Everybody has given a fantabulous right answer, and we have now a tiebreaker question coming. Okay, ready for the next one, guys? Kunal, Shubhajit, quick answer will make you win. And guys, there is no winner yet, so keep helping. Let's see. Question number 16, the tiebreaker question in front of you. ALF3 is soluble in HF only in the presence of KF. It is due to the formation of a beautiful conglomeration of coordination chemistry with P block. Once again, we're talking about HF. We are talking about ALF3. We are saying it's ALF3 is soluble in HF only in the presence of KF. It is due to the formation of your friends are Brunali Vagmare is saying best of luck to you guys. Everybody is going out with you and wishing you very, very luck. Shubhajit, Kunal, let's hear it for them. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Cool, cool, cool. It was a nail-biting match. Wonderful, wonderful. Nail-biting match. And indeed, I think who gave quickest? Kunal gave quickest answer here. The do and die, and I have all the questions ready. I certainly will, end without any tie with one winner only. 3 participants, 1 winner, 1 quiz master, and all the audience out there, everybody to learn. And indeed, the right answer, what you guys have mentioned, you have come with some sort of unity. I'm sure B is indeed right. And which gives us what score? Let's see the score. Kunal, 48, Devyansh, 35, Shubhajit, 46. But very interesting, very, very interesting. Let's see. Kunal is clear-cut winner out here, 48. Shubhajit, we have runners-up, Shubhajit, 46. But yes, winner, certainly from my heart is Devyansh, 35. Well done, Devyansh. But heartiest congratulations to you, Kunal. Well, cool. The chat is flooding and congratulating you, Kunal. They're loving the match that happened today. They're saying it's better than 2020. Wow. Superb. So let's see the answer first very quickly. ALF3 plus KF is giving you K3 ALF6. Why is that KF important? Because HF is उनके बीच में जैसे आपके बीच में यूनिटी थी ना, HF भी यूनिटी बनाकर हाइड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग दिखा रहा था, बट KF में ऐसा नहीं था. KF में F- प्रेजेंट था, F माइनस प्रेजेंट है, तो मतलब हमारे पास लिगेंड की गुंजाइश है, हमारे पास एक कोऑर्डिनेशन कॉम्प्लेक्स बनने की गुंजाइश है, इसलिए K3ALF6 आपको दिखता है. And which all of you bang on gave the right answer, but Kunal gave it quickest. So rapid fire indeed was a rapid fire. So I hope you had a great time. Congratulations all, everybody saying out here. Ramni
Congrats,
was,
Kunal.
Runali, Ashwini, all of them are absolutely giving a good cheers up to all of you. Winning statement, Kunal?
Feeling great, ma'am.
Feeling great. Shubhajit?
I'm really awesome. The marks
Really
doesn't matter.
awesome.
It's the learning that
gave
we
a-
get.
You get a tough competition, but we've also understood one thing, accuracy along with speed. Okay, be it JEE Mains, JEE Advanced,
Sure,
or NEET examination, accuracy along with speed. Divyansh, how was your experience?
Ma'am, good.
Good. That was very curt, but I hope you had a good time, because I really had a good time. I really want you guys to appreciate learning. I really want you to find out creative ways to learn. I want you guys to fall in love with learning, most importantly. Quick announcements. How do we get into rapid fire? So on Friday, we roll out these registration forms, which you can fill. You can go to the link, you can fill that registration form, and we'll pick 3 of you. And रूबरू होंगे इसी तरीके से. We'll meet some of our very own students, and if in case you're not associated to BYJU'S, we'd love to see you also, our lovely premium students, as well as everybody out there. Find out creative ways to learn. Quick announcements on Wednesday, beautiful session to be held by SM Sir, guys. He will be taking, most of you were asking question, I can read it in the chat out here, that you were asking me questions about term 1 aa hai, kya kare, term 1. SM Sir will take the session how to manage the JEE preparation along with your board examination 3 o'clock on Wednesday. To get more information, do subscribe the channel so that there is this notification that reaches you, and you know beforehand. We are trying to innovate and give you the best slot, best stuff possible out there for you to innovatively learn, innovatively remember, to be creative, and fall in love with learning, fall in love with chemistry, mathematics, biology, fall in love with all the beautiful subjects that we have in science, fall in love with knowledge in general, fall in love with awareness. And this was your host, those catalysts for the day, Nitika. I sign off. Bye-bye. Great. Good meeting.